So over here, you can see that I have a slide opened up and the background currently is blank. So what I can do is I can change the background color or add in an image there by going over here. I'm just going to go around, click on an empty space, and you can see that the toolbar right here changes and you have background as an option. Once you click on it, you can change the background and you have a few options right here. So you can go over here and choose a solid color. Once you click on it, right now by default it's transparent right here. So you can completely make it transparent, or you can add in white or something like that. But I'm just going to go around and choose, let's say, red, and you can see that it replaces the background, but that looks ugly. So I'm just going to choose something like yellow or something like light blue, as you can see right here. So that's one way to work around with the background. Press done, and there you go, you got a solid color background. If you want to work even more, then go to background, and then for more option, you can go to customs and you can choose the color from the color range right here. So you can go around, choose the color you like, which you otherwise wouldn't have found it right here. The other option you have is in the gradient. So you can go on to gradient and choose from different gradients which transcends from one color to the next, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto gradient, and to add in a custom gradient, simply go to custom, and here what you can do is you can go around and choose different colors. So you can click on this one around right here, you can go around, choose this, and that's it. You can go around and then choose another color right here. You can also add other color in between. So right here you can see that there's another color. So you can have 3 colors, you can add another color and remove that color as well. So I'm just going to go around, remove this. You can change it into radial, or you can change it into linear, change the angle of the gradient, and that's how much of a control you have for a particular background, as you can see right here. Alternatively, you can also you can also add in images onto the background. So for that, you can click on choose image, and you can go around with different options right here, which we're going to discuss in future lesson on images. So for now, I'm just going to click on browse, and from my computer, I'm just going to upload out an image that is already stored in. So once I upload that out and press done, you can see that the image is part of the background right here, just like this. So now what else you can do is you want to revert back to default. You can simply go ahead and reset it out, and that is how you go back to the default settings. And that is how you can change and work with slide backgrounds inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.